addition to lowering the prime rate yet again, it will begin purchasing and burning all U.S. foreclosed property.
Yeah, is this the party?
Bank's chairman, Ben Bernanke, says will stimulate the economy by encouraging new construction, increasing money supply with new loans.
And coming up after the break, Dr. Mark has a 10-minute solution to getting you back in the bikini in just...
I like German sparkle parties. Sparkle party, sparkle party. I like German sparkle parties. Sparkle party, sparkle party. Very German sparkle parties. Sparkle party.